Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious spinach. First, wash your spinach thoroughly under cool running water to remove any grit. Then, gently pat the leaves dry with a clean kitchen towel or use a salad spinner. Finally, remove any tough stems, as these can be fibrous and less pleasant to eat. This careful preparation ensures your spinach is clean and ready for cooking, setting the stage for a delightful dish. Sautéing is a fantastic way to bring out spinach's natural sweetness. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a large pan over medium heat. Once shimmering, add 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking for about 30 seconds until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Then, add your prepared spinach to the pan. It will seem like a lot, but it cooks down quickly, wilting beautifully in just 2 to 3 minutes. Now for the magic of seasoning. Once your spinach is perfectly wilted, season it generously with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For an extra burst of freshness, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice works wonders, brightening the entire dish. If you enjoy a little warmth, consider adding a dash of red pepper flakes. These simple additions elevate the flavor, making your spinach truly delicious. Your delicious spinach is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately as a vibrant and healthy side dish. It pairs wonderfully with a variety of main courses, such as roasted chicken, grilled fish, or even mixed into your favorite pasta. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. This easy guide ensures you can enjoy perfectly cooked spinach anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.